Hello friends, a very warm welcome to your channel. I am your host and your dost, gracefully yours, Shreya. So in today's video, I will create this simple Durga Puja look during daytime, which you can carry during daytime, and I will also share the story of the first ever Durga Puja. Yes. Exciting, na? There was a king who worshipped Mother Goddess even before Lord Rama. Like, he started Durga Puja. Now, if you want to know the full story and achieve this look, please watch the full video. And without wasting any time, let's jump into the friends. I'm a little bit nervous as well as excited because this video is the first ever video of mine in which I will share a look and I will tell a story of the first ever Durga Puja. So I'm very excited, and I don't know whether this video will be a hit or a miss, but this video will always remain very special in my heart. So let me start with the moisturization. Friends, let me tell you about the story. Once upon a time there was an emperor in ancient Bengal. His name was Surat. He was very popular. He was doing well in his life, his kingdom, his property. He was very rich. But नियति का खेल जब होता है तब क्या होता है? He lost everything, his kingdom, his property, his everything. So, this is the first half, the tragedy of the story. Now, I don't have a primer. I did a moisturization with this, and I don't have a primer, so I am using this Lakme CC cream for primer, as a primer, okay. So, what happened next is that everything, he left his capital, which was known as Bolipur. Now it is known as Bolpur, but that time it was known as Bolipur. So he left his capital and went to re-explore his fate. So he started his journey to re-explore his fate because he has lost everything, right? He has nothing to lose now. So he thought, okay, let's go out and let's try our fate in some other place. So in that journey, he met another man who was a businessman. And fortunately or unfortunately, he was also bankrupt. Yes. And the businessman named was Boisho Samadhi. Yes, they both continued their journey together. So after some time, they came to a jungle named Garg, which is presently situated at Durgapur. In that jungle, in that deep jungle, they were very thirsty and they were also hungry. They thought, what should they do? After walking, they found an ashram. Yes. So let me pause here and continue with the makeup thing. I am using Lakme 95 Prime and Matte foundation. So I'm going to apply it. Hope you're enjoying the story, huh? And my makeup also. So they went inside the ashram. The ashram belongs to Sumedha Muni. They saw Sumedha Muni and they were like, wow, who is this man? He looks so jnani. Let ask him and let describe our situation to him. He might give us a solution. Both of them thought this way. So they went inside and met Sumedha Muni and told them their situation and the whole story. Sumedha Muni listened patiently. After that, he told, look, by her grace, you will be enlightened. You might get everything you have lost. If she wants, she is the one who controls everything. So I think you should worship her. So rather asking me, you should ask her. You should describe your sufferings to her. She is very, very kind and she can help you. So after listening to that, they decided that okay, we should worship her. So Sumedha Muni described everything, and then I'm applying concealer. Okay, let me just apply it and then I'll tell you the story. So I'm actually using Makeup Revolution palette. It is broken, that's why I'm using like this. I'm using this mirror and I'm applying the concealer. So let me now in that palette also I'm using this compact under my eyes and my whole face because I want to avoid greasing and all, So what happened? They made a clay idol. Both of them made the clay idol and organized the first ever Durgotsav. They name it Durgotsav. So after that pujo, they were enlightened, they were happy. So they decided to go to their native places and start Durga Puja there. So guess what? What happened after that? As our mother goddess is very kind, she was happy with them and they got everything they lost. Yes, when they went to their native place, they found that their property is intact and they have all the money and all. So they decided to organize Durga Puja every year there. As they organize the Durga Puja in spring season, the Durga Puja is also known as Bashanti Durga Puja. So let me continue with the makeup now. So I have applied the compact. Now some contouring. I will do very light contouring. I will use the contour darkest shade to contour my nose and my cheeks. I'm taking this small angle brush and the darkest powder to just apply powder on the contoured area because I also don't want this to be greasy, right? And this large angle brush to contour my cheeks, my chubby cheeks. So King Surat and Boisho Samadhi was the first organizers of Durga Puja, and the first Durga Puja took place in Sumedha Muni's ashram, and they had a happy ending because Ma Durga was happy and they got back everything. After that, Lord Rama did Durga Puja in Sharodya, and this time before his fierce war with Ravana. Now I'm doing my eye makeup. I'm using Lakme Iconic. Just simple eye makeup I will apply kajal in my inner water line. And then I'll use this smudger to smudge my kajal. This is kind of cold eyes. I am a big fan of cold eyes, This is how my this is how my eyes look after applying the kajal and smudging it. Now I will apply this glimmer stick from Oriflame on the metallic gold on the top of my eyes, very roughly. You don't have to be like very precise on this. Roughly I'm applying this just to get the shimmery look top of my eyes. This, see, I'm almost done. Now I will apply lipstick. I'm using L'Oreal's Pure Scarlet. I'm using some powder on the top of my lipstick to make it more matte. Now I'm almost done. Now I will complete my look with jhumka and my hairs. So just wait for the final look. So friends, this is the complete look. I hope you like it, and I hope you like the story also, which I shared with you. I wore a simple jhumka to complete my look and a simple kara. So friends, you can carry this look this pujo time, but one thing, don't forget to use the face mask because it's very important, and of course carry your sanitizer also. So try to avoid huge gatherings because it's not very safe. Try to maintain social distancing, but enjoy the pujas also. So I hope you like this video and this story and my look, and I will bring more interesting videos, more upcoming interesting videos, so don't miss them. And if you don't want to miss them, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon also. So see you soon, take care, bye bye.